Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see price history on Google Flights. First, open the browser of your choice and search for Google Flights. Click on the first result or go directly to google.com/travel/flights. Next, enter your trip details and choose your departure and return dates. On the results load, you'll see all available flights options. To check the price history, look for the section that shows a small graph or click on View Price History. This will give you a visual overview of how the price has changed over time based on your selected dates. For instance, you'll see whether the current price is higher, lower, or about the same compared to past prices. And that's it. That's how to see price history on Google Flights. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.